Welcome to the Mason Libraries tutorial on Advanced Search Strategies Part 4, Proximity Searching. After viewing this tutorial, you will be able to use proximity operators in your search. Proximity searching is not a common form of advanced searching, but it can prove helpful in certain situations. In proximity searching, the researcher is telling the database that they want a set of words close to each other in the results. For example, let's recall how phrase searching only searches for the keywords exactly. So if a researcher searches parent-teacher relationship in quotation marks, they may not find results that mention parents' relationship with teachers or the relationship between teachers and parents. And if they just search parent and teacher and relationship, they may get results where the terms are included but are not directly connected. This would be a perfect opportunity to use a proximity search. Databases that allow proximity searching tend to allow it in two forms. First, a researcher may want the two words to be close by, but in no specific order. This is often indicated with a capital N or the word near in caps. Second, the researcher may care which order the words appear. They want one word to always be first. This is often indicated with a capital W or the word within. This is less common. The other aspect of the proximity search that a researcher needs to decide is how many maximum words they want in between their concepts. For example, in3 tells the database that the researcher wants at most 3 words in between their two search terms in any direction. The researcher should adjust this number based on the topic. While the syntax of proximity searching may change between databases, the overall functions are normally the same. To learn more about proximity searching within a platform, do a web search of the platform along with the word proximity or adjacency to find their help page. Now let's go back to our previous example of the parent-teacher relationships. Since it does not matter to us if the word parent or the word teacher comes first, nor if it is a parent-teacher relationship or a relationship between parents and teachers, this is a great opportunity to use in or near. Let's tie in our previous nesting strategy as well. First, we want the database to prioritize the words parent and teacher to be near each other. So we are going to put these in parentheses with near 3. This is saying that we want at most 3 words between parent and teacher in any direction. Then we also want the word relationship to be in close proximity. We want this to be pretty close, so we'll do into to be at most 2 words away from either parent or teacher. This will look like parent asterisk near 3, teacher asterisk near 2, relationship asterisk. Notice that we are also using truncation. Some databases may not allow proximity searching combined with truncation. If that is the case, you may need to create multiple proximity searches. In a simple search on parental opinions, we could simply search parent, near, opinion or idea or perception, again with nesting and truncation. This would look for variations of each of the words with at most 3 words separating the first concept, parent, from the nested concepts, opinion, idea, or perception. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have other questions, please reach out to your appropriate liaison librarian.